In this video, I will show how to make a solar panel in 3dsmax. As you can see in here in my project, I create a solar panel in the car park like this. So I will show how to do exactly like this. Firstly, you need to create a cylinder. And this to make it 1 millimeter with high shine in one as well. In slide make it 6, so we can come Hexagon. Make it thinner. And make the color more lighter so easy to see. Go to perspective view, and now right click, convert it to editable poly, choose polygon. Now choose the rear, only the rear of the hexagon. After we choose rear, we choose setting in local menu, make it 10, 1, is okay. Now go to H5, you can see a line here. Now you select that, select edge, select a line in crossing here. But click and ring so it will be choose on the cross line in our model, and then go to connect setting, make it 2, and make it will be make it on the gap with the outside and inside. Deselect that. Oh, sorry, I forgot to confirm it, so it will disappear. You confirm it, so it will be stay. Go to polygon, choose the gap. The gap in select remove upper, so we create our solar in the solar panel. After we have it in our solar panel, we make it a bit higher. We go to point and choose 2 points cross each other, and go to connect. We will create a line in the middle. Choose 2 of them. Connect them as well. After that, we go to the back. Go to polygon, and to choose one, we can grow it to choose on grow. Delete that by clicking delete in the keyboard. Choose border, click in the border, and select an uniform scale. We scale it, so close that. By click to close that, we choose the selection in here for collapse. It will be close, exactly in the middle, as you can see. Now we deselect the polygon. You see, move in here. Go to effect pivot only. We make it exactly in the corner. After is exactly in the corner. Deselect after paper only. Now we'll select and rotate. We go to the top view might be easier to do. And hold shift and rotate it to copy. Okay. Where another one? Okay. Now the shape I want. Make it any shape that you like and make sure it's detached to each other. You see now I have my panel now. So group that by select holding group in group 1. Now when we select that, it will be select all of the panel we create. We need to make it in 75 degrees. See now, move it up. And we need to wait for that. And cylinder. Now I have my solar panel. And so in here I can do like attach sheet for them. And also the base. But you could also thank you so much. This is my solar panel video to show how to do solar panel in Hexagon shape. Thank you for listening.